running. Let me come here. Oftentimes in private markets, every time we evaluate a general partner, we have to pull information from websites, PDFs, and marketing decks and manually turn that into a clean one-pager, which is slow and inconsistent. So I've built this GP one-pager tool that uses TinyFish as a web agent and a RAG pipeline that will extract structured information from the sources that it finds. In interest of time, let me go click Discover Sources. So what happens here is for the particular CVC Capital, what TinyFish is going to do is go to the website, go to the browser, go to the respective GP website and extract all the necessary information that might be useful for us. So let's give this some time. Okay, now as you can see, it has returned me a set of few resources that an SME can review by clicking the URL. Let's say I'm good with these. I click approve, selected plus extract. So what happens here is our main goal is to fill this template, and with the help of this agent, I can easily fill in all the information coming from the internet and from the GP website. For example, as you can imagine how difficult it would be for an SME to go to every GP's website and extract all these images and then upload into a PPT or some format. But what TinyFish will do here is, if I go to the dashboard, as you can see, there are two parallel tasks running. One that is responsible to fetch all these images, and the other one is fetching a logo for the GP. So let's say if I come here, let's see if it's still running. Okay, it has already completed. Well and good. All the images have been extracted. Let's wait for the RAG pipeline to finish. Once the extraction finishes, the full GP profile is assembled and rendered into this one page with firm snapshots, sector allocation, etc. If I want to make adjustments, I can make it using this tab here. As you can see, it has found few conflicts between the different sources. So what an SME can do is probably say HQ is Paris, say Paris, London. And if I click refine, the SME can use natural language to describe its problem, and the template gets updated automatically by itself. Now I can just click export PDF, and it should export me a PDF with this full-fledged template which the SME can use. As you can imagine, the time savings here is very critical, and by default, manually, you would have to scour through all these websites by yourself, download documents, go to their website, download pictures, save them, and upload it to a PPT and do it all over again for different GPs. But with this tool, you can do it for countless GPs. You can even make asynchronous calls behind the scenes and generate these templates for all 200, 2000 GPs, how much ever you have. That's my app. Thank you.